Tired of hefty transaction fees when sending or receiving money from abroad? Today, we're unlocking the door to a borderless financial world by showing you exactly how to create a Revolut account from Bangladesh. Before we dive in, let's address the big question: is Revolut available in Bangladesh? While not fully operational with local currency accounts just yet, Bangladeshi residents can create a Revolut account, primarily for holding and using foreign currencies like USD or UR. First, make sure you have these ready: a valid Bangladeshi passport or national ID card for identity verification, and a recent utility bill like electricity, gas, or internet bills showing your current address. These are crucial later in the Signa process. Now grab your smartphone and head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Revolut. Download and install the app. It's free, so don't worry about any upfront costs. Open the Revolut app and tap Sign Up. Enter your Bangladeshi phone number, followed by your email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and difficult to guess. Revolut will then send a verification code to your phone number, so keep it handy. Next comes the identity verification. You'll be prompted to take a picture of your passport or national ID. Ensure the photo is clear and all the information is easily readable. After your ID is approved, you will be prompted to take a selfie, so make sure your camera is in good condition. Now, the address verification step. Using the picture you took of a utility bill, you will need to upload it in this section. Make sure that the bill is not older than 3 months. That's it. Once Revolut verifies your identity and address, your account setup is complete. You can now explore the app, add funds using a supported method like a foreign debit card, and start taking advantage of Revolut's currency exchange and international transfer features.